morning, everybody. This is V from Q Kitchen and Beyond. And this morning, I'm going to try some Fruity Pebbles International Delight Creamer in my coffee. But first, we're going to shake it. Alrighty, now we're going to taste it. It's not too bad. It definitely tastes like I just poured Fruity Pebbles in my coffee. But it's not bad. It's not that great, but it's not bad. So, that's what that little dog thinks about it. He's like, why are you filming me? I'm trying to wipe myself. Alright, everybody, I'll be back later with an enormous grocery haul that's sitting on my table. And my internet's out, so I don't know when I'll be able to post this. Alright, y'all have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.